Think and Grow Rich, Principles 7, 8 and 9. Principle 7. Decision, Mastery of Procrastination. Success requires the habit of making quick and firm decisions. Napoleon Hill observed that winners decide promptly and rarely change their choices. Losers, however, delay, hesitate, or constantly change their minds. This weakness destroys confidence and prevents growth. Every opportunity in life demands a clear choice. If you hesitate too long, the chance often disappears forever. History has shown that decisive leaders earned respect because they trusted themselves. They listened to others, but their final call was their own. Procrastination is the silent killer of dreams. People keep waiting for the perfect time, which never arrives. Start making decisions in daily matters without delay. This habit builds strength for bigger decisions that shape destiny. Principle 8. Persistence, the power of sustained effort. Desire is the starting point, but persistence is the fuel. Without it, plans collapse when the first difficulty appears. Persistence means taking continuous action, no matter the obstacles. It is created through willpower and strong desire. Most people quit after one failure or one rejection. That is why success is rare and precious. Every great achievement in history required persistence. Thomas Edison failed thousands of times before inventing the bulb. His genius was not intelligence alone, but the refusal to quit. Persistence can be learned and strengthened. Begin with a burning desire for your goal. Make definite plans and guard against negativity. Surround yourself with allies who encourage persistence. Each step you take despite resistance builds mental toughness. In time, persistence turns defeat into victory. Principle 9. The Mastermind, Strength in Unity. No great achievement is ever created alone. Behind every leader, there is always a supportive group. Hill calls this collective power the mastermind. It is the harmony of knowledge, skills, and energy. When two or more minds unite, a new power is born. This combined energy is stronger than any individual effort. A true mastermind offers ideas, motivation, and accountability. Successful entrepreneurs, scientists, and leaders all built alliances. The mastermind supplied them with vision and strength, but the choice of people is crucial. Negative partners weaken progress and block achievement. Positive, motivated companions multiply possibilities and inspire you. Choose wisely, because your environment shapes your success. A mastermind with unity and trust becomes unstoppable. Closing thought. Decision, persistence, and the mastermind are three powerful tools. Decision gives clarity and speed to your journey. Persistence keeps you moving forward against resistance. The mastermind multiplies your strength beyond imagination. Together, these principles transform vision into reality. If you decide firmly, persist bravely, and unite wisely, success will follow without fail.